y'all, just doing a real quick video on the 16-inch by 16-inch red microfiber cleaning cloth. And what I have here is my Targus power bank. It can get, get stuff on it, so I want to go ahead and clean it off. And the 16 by 16, of course you can measure it, but it is super duper long, which is nice. Take that off. So what I'm going to do to go ahead and clean it off is I have a water bottle here, and I'm just going to dab it like that, because you don't need a whole bunch of water. And there's so many uses for it, but this is just one of the many uses with the microfiber cleaning cloth. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it off, get any stuff that's on there. And it's nice because I'm not totally wetting it, because you see I can't put water in there. But doesn't mean I can't clean it off. And then I'll get the dry part and just wipe it on off, and it works beautifully. Brings it right back to new, which is nice. I like to have nice things. Perfect. So there we go. There's my Targus power bank using my red microfiber cleaning cloth, 16 by 16. Thank you so much for watching.